Welcome to Clean Code Secrets. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to uncover what it truly means to write clean professional code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding the principles of clean code is essential for building robust, maintainable, and scalable software. We'll explore why clean code matters, how it impacts teams and businesses, and what separates a true software craftsman from a mere coder. Get ready to transform your approach to programming and elevate your skills to the next level. Have you ever struggled to understand someone else's code, or even your own months later? Clean code isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making your software easy to read, maintain, and extend. Bad code can slow down teams, increase costs, and even sink entire projects. In this scene, we'll discuss real-world consequences of messy code and why investing in clean practices pays off for everyone involved. Let's dive deeper into the hidden costs of messy code. Over time, poorly written code becomes harder to change, leading to bugs, missed deadlines, and frustrated developers. Teams may even reach a point where a complete rewrite is necessary, costing time and resources. Clean code, on the other hand, keeps your project agile and your team productive. Being a professional programmer isn't just about writing code that works, it's about taking responsibility for the quality of your work. Professionals defend the integrity of their code, communicate clearly with managers and teammates, and never compromise on quality for the sake of speed. In this scene, we'll explore the mindset that sets true professionals apart. Clean code is more than just code that works. It's code that is elegant, efficient, and easy to understand. It should read like well-written prose with meaningful names, minimal duplication, and clear intent. In this scene, we'll break down the characteristics of clean code and what makes it stand out. Names are everywhere in software. From variables and functions to classes and files, good naming is crucial for clarity. Choose intention-revealing names that answer the big questions. What does this do? Why does it exist? How is it used? Avoid abbreviations, noise words, and misleading terms. Remember, code is read far more often than it's written. Functions are the building blocks of your code. The golden rule: each function should do one thing and do it well. Keep them small, focused, and at a single level of abstraction. This makes your code easier to read, test, and maintain. If you can extract another function with a meaningful name, your original function is probably doing too much. Comments are not a substitute for clear code. In fact, they often become outdated or misleading. Strive to write code that explains itself through meaningful names and structure. Use comments only when necessary to explain why, not what. Remember, the best comment is the one you didn't have to write. Consistent formatting is about communication. Use vertical spacing to separate concepts and horizontal spacing to group related code. Keep lines short and files small. Agree on formatting rules with your team and stick to them. Well-formatted code is easier to read, review, and maintain. Understand the difference between objects and data structures. Objects hide their data behind abstractions and expose behavior, while data structures expose their data and have little behavior. Use each appropriately to keep your code flexible and maintainable. Avoid hybrids that mix both approaches. Error handling is a vital part of clean code. Use exceptions rather than return codes and provide context with your exceptions. Keep error handling separate from your main logic and avoid returning or passing null. Clean error handling makes your code robust and easier to debug. Most systems rely on third-party libraries or components. Keep boundaries clean by wrapping external code and minimizing its spread throughout your system. Write learning tests to understand how third-party code works and to protect your code from changes in external dependencies. Unit tests are the backbone of clean code. They give you the confidence to refactor, add features, and fix bugs without fear. Write tests first, keep them clean, and ensure they run fast. Remember, tests are code too. Apply the same standards of cleanliness and clarity. Classes should be small, focused, and cohesive. Each class should have a single responsibility and encapsulate related data and behavior. When classes grow too large, split them into smaller, more focused units. This keeps your codebase organized and easier to navigate. At the system level, clean code means separating concerns and keeping construction separate from use. Use dependency injection, factories, and clear boundaries to make your system flexible and scalable. Avoid over-engineering. Let your architecture evolve as your system grows. Good design emerges from continuous refactoring and adherence to simple rules. Run all tests, eliminate duplication, express intent, and minimize classes and methods. Don't aim for perfection from the start. Let your design evolve as you learn more about the problem. Concurrency can make your code faster and more responsive, but it also introduces complexity. Keep concurrency-related code separate, minimize shared data, and use thread-safe collections. Test thoroughly and be vigilant for subtle bugs that only appear under load. Learn to recognize code smells, signs that something may be wrong in your code. These include long functions, duplicate code, poor names, and excessive comments. Use heuristics to guide your refactoring and keep your codebase healthy and maintainable. Always leave the code cleaner than you found it. Even small improvements add up over time, leading to a healthier codebase. Don't wait for a big refactoring, make incremental improvements every time you touch the code. Being a professional programmer means more than just technical skill. It's about ethics, responsibility, and continuous learning. Take pride in your work, mentor others, and always strive for excellence. Remember, your code impacts real people and businesses. Congratulations, you've taken the first step toward mastering clean code. Remember, clean code is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. By embracing these principles, you'll not only become a better programmer, you'll help elevate the entire profession.